Hello my beautiful people, welcome back. Welcome to, I think, the last video we're probably going to shoot in here. So it's a little bit bittersweet. It's been a wonderful little studio. And again, thank you so much to HOA for giving up half his garage for me to paint in. Always appreciated.
2/3.
Two-thirds of his garage for me to Anyways, I have some paints left over from the last pour we did, that beautiful peacock palette and herringbone technique, and we're going to use them up today. And we're going to use our split cup from Tracie Reed. This is a beautiful, gorgeous 20 ounce, or sorry, 16 ounce? No, 22 ounce. 22 ounce split cup from Tracie Reed. You can find these on her website. I will put the link in the description box and on the screen for you. And we're using a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrapped canvas from Artists Loft. I have taped and pinned the back and painted my sides and edges. Let's scoot that over real quick and I'll show you the colors that we're using. My base coat color is Paynes Grey mixed with some other drips. So it's still mostly Paynes Grey, but it might be kind of purpley too. So that's okay with me. But this is actually one of the things that I really enjoy when I'm mixing up my base coat colors, because it's kind of like mishmash of what do I have left over that's going to look good together. But I like that Paynes Grey color, so it's going to be cool. This one is Prussian Blue from Golden's. This is all mixed with Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and Floetrol. Mound on a mound and then sinking into itself pretty quick. Okay. We also have Golden's Turquoise Phtalo. Happiness in a Cup. Gorgeous. Beautiful. I love this so much. And then we have some Jadeite left. This was DecoArt Extreme Sheen Jadeite. This is one of the colors that I am bringing to Dublin for Fluid Art Boutique. I leave on Tuesday. I'm so excited. I can't wait. It's going to be awesome. We also have some Amsterdam Titanium White, which is very important since we're using some darker colors. And of course, my Dancing Queen, my 24 karat gold from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. Beautiful. Okay, so we're going to put down a base coat. We're going to fill up our split cup, and then we're going to do a wandering ring pour around, leaving some negative space. So for that size canvas, we actually need about 28 ounces of paint. This is a 22 ounce split cup. I'm fine with that because we're going to have more than enough flow extender, so we're not going to be short, and we do want to leave negative space. So to that end, let's start. I think what I would like to do is to put the white and the gold and stack them on the outer chambers. And then I think I probably want the turquoise in the middle and the jadeite on one side and the Prussian blue on the other side. So let's do the outer chambers first. We're going to stack those with the white and the gold. I'm going to start with some white on that side, and then a little bit of gold, and then a little bit more white. And the reason I like to stack them is because it gives it a very cool effect. It breaks it up a little bit. It's not a lot of solid white, but I do want the white on the outer chambers because we're using such a dark base coat color that I really want the white to show up. So I'm going to turn this now, and we're going to do the same thing over here. A little bit of white, a little bit of gold, a little bit of white, and a little bit of gold. And you can absolutely do a wandering ring pour without a split cup, but I like them with a split cup because it comes out a little bit cleaner. All right, I think we're going to put the jadeite in the middle, and we're going to have the two darker blues on either outside. So there's our jadeite from DecoArt Extreme Sheen. Beautiful stuff. And we'll put the Prussian blue on this side. And you'll notice again, this is layering the cup with contrast. Light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. That's going to give you the most bang for your buck visually. Make your colors all show up. Okay. There we go. All right, let's move these over. And we will put down our base coat. Okay, I'm going to turn this around. and then pour the base coat over that spot. Okay, here we go. Okay, now I do want to leave negative space on here, so we want to make sure that the base coat is good and spread out the way we want, and there's not a lot of extra on there. That's looking good. Let's give this a quick flirt, guys. Great. So let's pour this. All right, here we go. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, lass, that I am.
Here we go. Here we go. Cool. Okay.
It's totally tubular.
All right, let's tilt this out a little bit. Let's see, I think I want to take this off the corner because I'm not crazy about the center of that. So we want minimal tilting because we want to keep the integrity of our design. And I know that edge is, that part is closest to the edge. So we're just going to walk this down nice and easy. And we're going to take that off the corner right there. And we're going to take it back. And we're going to go down this way. I think we're going to leave that corner pained. Move this way a little bit. That's cool. Okay. The only thing I'm concerned about is that corner. Do you think we should take it off that corner too?
No.
I kind of feel like I need to.
Nope.
I kind of feel like I need to. Just because there's a lot of paint right there.
Then go ahead. Never needed my approval before.
cool. All right. What do you think, honey?
Very cool.
Okay.
I like the graduated, I like the lines.
Yeah, the lines are really cool. That jadeite is such a beautiful color. So this is really neat. I like this. I love what the Prussian Blue is doing where it's interacting with the jadeite. I think that's what HOA is talking about. And then it's got a little bit of the turquoise in between. I am happy with the white, especially on top of the Paynes Grey base. I love that we have negative space. I like that I see all of the colors. There's kind of a lot of a concentration of gold right there, but that's okay. It's all good. There is gold in here through the white, which is awesome. So this is cool. So I will show you guys this one when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Like I had said in our last video, HOA and I will be moving when I come back from Dublin, and we are working on setting up a studio space in the new house. A couple of you have asked where we're moving, if we're staying in California. Yes, we are. We're just moving about 40 miles west to be a little closer to my family in LA. East, sorry. 40 miles east. And, you know, it's going to be really good. So again, I thank you for your patience. I thank you for your love and your support and all your good wishes. You guys were amazing. I had a post on helping me wish HOA a very happy birthday, and so many of you commented. It was so wonderful and so nice to read all your messages. So
That was really cool. Thank you all very much.
thank you all so much for your love, and we'll be right back with dried results. Okay, this is a couple days later. It's not completely dry yet, but it is getting there. But the colors are amazing. I'm very, very happy with how this turned out. I like it in this vertical orientation a lot. I think it looks really cool and very dynamic. There's a lot of motion in there, a lot of movement. I love the lines. They came out really, really beautiful. Sorry, it's really hard for me to see. But these colors are just gorgeous in here with the jadeite and the turquoise and the Prussian Blue and that Paynes Grey base coat. Came out really, really neat. So yeah, I'm really happy with this one. I really like it a lot. Very dynamic. There's parts of it that kind of remind me of a palmetto leaf. There's a side orientation, but I think I like it better like this. So this was pretty cool. I'm gonna go get the other one for you, our hidden peacock, and show you that one as well. So we'll be right back. Okay, so this is our hidden peacocks, the one I showed you guys last week, but this is dry now and very blingy. These colors are just amazing. That Pebeo jadeite and the DecoArt jadeite and the Pebeo iridescent green blue together are just very glowy. Really, really pretty stuff happening in here. I love the gold, and I love that lighter color from the DecoArt and the Pebeo. Really, really pretty stuff. So this one's cool. So this was our hidden peacocks, the 36 by 36 with the herringbone technique, but I wrecked it a little differently. So this is cool though. Thank you guys so much for being here with us, and like I said, I will be back as soon as possible, assuming that I don't get the itch to paint in the middle of the night. So, but thank you all so much for your support. I am leaving to go to Dublin on Tuesday, and I will be back in the beginning of July. So we'll see you then, I hope. Take it easy. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.